Alright, this is the unboxing of the Jetson Jupiter light up folding kick scooter. Over 100 multicolor LED lights. Down the stem, the wheels light up, and then there's 7 light patterns to choose from, and the height's adjustable. Flip it over. Minimal assembly, lightweight, eco-friendly, water resistant. Bright lights for fun nights and 5 and over. I'm older than 5. Weight limit 132. I'm too big. Weighs 6 pounds. It's got the rear foot brake. Adjustable hand. We got to check out these 7 different patterns. So let's finish and unbox it. And there it is. Oh. Just got to put the handle on. And the way you unfold it. Loosen that up. And pull it out. This right here, you pull it out and it'll slide up. But we're going to leave it in the down mode because we're going to test the lights. So there it is. To assemble it, take the screw off, put it here, slide it on, slide it through, tighten it up. But we want to see the lights. So